I'm gonna do you know. NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering where are going to get that money? Oh my, well so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh you can make so much money. And now NEWLINK just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money. Blessings my people. Big up on yourself man, don't know what the thing going on. You understand? They are people, and right about now, I tell a boy, not Jamaica you know people, boy, something can go on in the yard you know. Wow. It make NEWLINK have to look deep into some things sometimes, you know, people. Sometimes it looks so deep and I look so far and I have to think and I have to wonder and say what really I go on the yard and I have to look into things, and when we look people, reality just come to my brain. Because now, NEWLINK are going to report this now people, see? A school youth, another school youth, you know, has been cut down in Jamaica, who is just 15 years old. You get me? I say 15 years old. And news are reached NEWLINK now, people. So this youth, you know, who is a student of the Ascot High School, you understand, was cut down at his home in Trenchtown yesterday. And then say sometime after 8:15 p.m. in the night, people, family member hear explosion in the yard because the youth was outside. When they comes a boom and go look outside, them find the youth and they going to suffer from gunshot wounds, people. Then comes a boom, with a car rush him to hospital where he was pronounced dead. You get me I say? When them take him get couple shot, well, and them say when them take it out people, is a man per foot do it. Now, coming to my attention people, and that's why I say yo, we have to look deep into things. This same high school was the high school another 15-year-old was cut down from in February of this year. You understand? The same high school, you know, another 15-year-old. So basically, these youth now are from the same type of grade 10 student them. And NEWLINK have to look and say, boy, wonder if these two incidents is stemming from each other. That's what me have to think, you know, because family members are saying this young man now who cut down yesterday, people. He was a very good young man, great young man, progressive young man, and they say he was also a cadet student. You know what I mean? So a young man who have potential, who them know no really, or do badness or in a wrongs or something like that. Same goes when I check back and I do my check back for the other youth also. You understand? He was also a good youth. They was also saying the same thing. So what's really been going on with this young man now? Why this high school, 15-year-old youth in the same type of grade have to be cut down? What's behind this? It's just sad to know that so much of our young people, young youths have been losing their life in Jamaica. You understand? Being murdered. It's really sad, it's really terrible. And I was speaking to somebody, you know, telling them the situation about these young men being killed in Jamaica. And the person said, honestly, you know, it's in Jamaica, and not just in Jamaica, right around the world now, a lot of these young teenagers, some of them are very dangerous. You may look at a young man and say, yo, he's small, he won't be capable of doing things, but you must say, yo, plenty of them little young man, and them will bust out the head and lick you out, tear you out. You know what I mean? But in the end, I cannot judge these two and say what they have been into or what caused it or what, because what? NEWLINK no know. NEWLINK no know. But all I can say is, people, it's just sad to stand by and see our young youths been losing their life by the hands of the gun. Mama, that's the trouble not set like rain. You know what I mean? But I can't say what could I really stem from this, because I remember going into high school, people, honestly, you know. You know what I mean? When I was at high school, I never got in a gang. I always try to stay by myself. I always try to keep out a friend and company unless we have a group project and work at school. You get me? I say, or unless we're on a cricket team or a soccer team, that's our friend we keep with and it's just for sports. But on the street, we don't keep friends, we don't walk in a crew and then something there. Because when they do walk in a crew and them, you understand, these gang things plenty come from school days, you know. Enough people don't know. You can't be friend with somebody and they do end up cause a life too. It can be a family member who do message somebody and they do cause a life too. So, in the end, all I can say is, one the youth them for just looking at themselves and try to make a change and a difference in them life. As a youth, if you know you put yourself in a situation where you have enemies, have beef with other young man, it don't make no sense. Because you may never know. You may look at the youth out there saying, yo, I'm a nerd in him, a fool, and he can't do this and he can't do that. But deep down there, you're somebody who can do that. You understand? You may not be the one who can. You get me as a people? You don't know. So the youth them have to really looking at themselves and try to make a change and make a difference. Because me tell you the road is there now. I talk about this several times. And the man must decide how them are going to choose them road. You see, they are going to choose the good road or the bad road. And if you decide that you want to go on the bad road and cut a life short, make family mourn, make people come here and fish and bread and drink some manish water soup, well, fine. You know what I mean? And go 6'6" at an early age where all we have to go one day. So some man want to choose them destiny, them choose it. But I, NEWLINK, I don't want to choose that destiny, you know. That's why I say life. And I say more to life and more to my journey. But some man, them say short life, maybe. Them not check. I mean, them not think about other life when NEWLINK don't know about. Because I deal with the present right now. See? So the youth them have to really try to make a change and a difference in them life. And it's pain my heart to see our young people being slain, being brutally murdered in the streets. Hurt my heart. Family members right now is mourning. They can't believe. You know what I mean? But NEWLINK, who to tell what's behind all of this? Only just sees and he knows. So don't know a thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. But there are people giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. You understand? And honestly, people, life is precious, life is great. And do as best as you can and protect yourself and protect your family. You know, in this time it's really serious. And we have been trying to protect ourselves from this thing here, what's been going on, but there are other things out there that was there before what we really have to protect ourselves from. Because people, we just have to be aware and be cautious of everything nowadays. You get me, I say? As them say, some people say, yo, we're in the final days. And basically, we are in the final days. You know what I mean? So we have to do our best where we can protect ourselves and protect our loved ones. So don't know the thing of people, man. Enough love again, enough respect. And if you don't subscribe, please do subscribe now. When you do subscribe, hit that notification bell icon and tap all on it. You know what I mean? So when NEWLINK drop the video them, you will get them. There's like a pop up ping right on your phone. So peace in the people and love and respect. You understand? And follow us on Facebook. NEWLINK_production. You know what I mean? Instagram NEWLINK production. Same way. Twitter NEWLINK production. And peace and respect. And stay blessed and stay safe. Changes in life. Bless up.